This is the latest bike finished here at Custom Cycles Limited in Rumley Motors in Greensboro, NC. We built this bike a few years ago. It had a 30-inch wheel. It was all black, didn't have a stretch tank. Customer brought it back a couple months ago for a little maintenance, and then the project snowballed. It's got a 32-inch Cutlass front wheel with a wrap fender, big mouth chin spoiler. We did the leg warmers with the 6.5 speakers in there. Got the Trask exhaust and a RSD air cleaner. Stretch gas tank with the low profile dash and extended side covers. TOL bags and rear fender. Custom 2-up seat. Got a 3D windshield on there. It's got a LED billet tail lights in the back. It's got a full billet package, which includes the bag latches and pegs and floorboards and the grips. 13-inch rotor, 6-piston caliper. Again, this is the latest bike built here at Custom Cycles Limited in Rumley Motors in Greensboro, NC. If you're interested in buying any of the parts that you see on this bike, we'd be glad to help you out. You can reach us at 336-218-0766 or look us up on the web at customcyclesltd.com. Make sure you follow and like and subscribe our videos for more.